An informative video has come out that describes differences between the two types of solar eclipses, titled How Rare is April 2024 Eclipse by Welch Labs. For this video, I want to take a look at footage I captured using a makeshift solar filter using a floppy disk for the 2023 annular solar eclipse, which occurred in the United States. Because of existing controversies surrounding mankind's greatest accomplishments, very odd imagery shown to the public to represent astronomical relationships, concern for manipulative visuals, many are unsure of the true nature of space, as well as the true nature of this blessed world. So understanding solar eclipses can be a touch point to understanding more about the unobscured actual nature of this reality. But to my footage, I'll show you what I observed. So this is the moment of full eclipse where the moon is in front of the sun. As we're told by the astronomers, there is a bright ring around the moon, considered to occur because the moon is smaller from our perspective during the annular eclipses compared to the full total eclipses. And this is supposed to relate to specific nodal points of the moon's rotation, where it's either the furthest or the closest point to the Earth. When it is the furthest, it is the smallest from our perspective. So with the footage here, as I scroll, this is the start of the moon traversing across the sun. Notice how the moon drops in like a drop of water. When it leaves, it's a similar pouring out. And also for a point, you can appreciate the moon being very small. Does this effect relate to the intensity of light? That I'm not sure. Bottom left, there is an associated lens flare with the moon shown to be larger. So the outstanding question when you see this footage of the moon pouring in, pouring out, is this actually the moon? What is this that we're seeing? Of course it's the moon. Isn't that obvious? But I know there's a gap between what is explained to us as being scientifically valid and true versus what we can determine ourselves through our own empirical observation. The truth exists in between those extremes, within that gap. And the masses are very suspicious because we pay attention to actions as well as cause and effect relationships. There is something inexplicable propelling those in a position of trust, something dark. Thanks for watching.